Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Wednesday, October 4th, 2017. And today, in our Tech News Update, we have Google that will, in just a few minutes after I post this video, have a live event to basically show us some new stuff. Basically, we know that it's going to announce Pixel 2 phones, but also all sorts of other little goodies, apparently. So this all starts at noon Eastern Time, 9 a.m. Pacific, and it is live on the internet. I will be, of course, checking that out and doing a little roundup of what was announced later today. Google AI, apparently in some tests where they actually did some IQ testing, beats Siri and Bing in the IQ tests, and it's just short, apparently, of a 6-year-old child. And of course, this is with a selected number of questions and answers, and basically shows that slowly but surely AI is getting there, but we're still far away. Many analysts are saying that artificial intelligence, the real kind that is amazing and that we pretty much all think of, is still years away, and we'll need even more powerful computers. Well, Yahoo has finally updated its number. When in 2013 Yahoo was breached, and user accounts, of course, were stolen with passwords, basically they said 1 billion people had been affected. Well, nope. Now, after extensive examination of the issue, they say that in 2013, when they were hacked, all 3 billion accounts that existed at that time were affected by the data breach. So basically everyone that had a Yahoo account, not just 1 billion like they had said at first. Well, Microsoft is really gearing up for virtual reality, mixed reality, because it's actually starting a whole set of different videos, and of course lots of talk about mixed reality, especially with the Windows 10 Fall Creators Update that will be optimized for that. And of course, there are many companies in here, including Samsung. And Microsoft says that apparently there are already over 20,000 apps that are ready for mixed reality. So I don't know where they get that number or how they take it, but anyways, some form of mixed reality apparently. Well, this one is pretty special, despite the fact that they were unable to secure everybody's account, the fact that they were really bad with just keeping up on their security. Still, the IRS, the US Revenue Service, has given a contract to Equifax for fraud detection. So you're wondering sometimes who is actually giving out these contracts and what the hell is happening. Well, a city in Georgia called Stonecrest says that it will rename itself Amazon, Georgia, if Amazon decides to build its headquarters there, and will give them 345 acres of land for the company to set up. So this just shows you of how important cities are really taking it with huge importance. The fact that Amazon could actually settle in their town. And Amazon, of course, still undecided and looking at where it could set its major headquarters. And of course, Canada is also in there. So it's going to be interesting to see when they decide where this will happen. A survey of 1,000 businesses seems to show that an amazing amount of businesses are out of date in the software, often using really outdated software and operating systems, and basically it puts them at risk for their security. And not just that, even those that are updated are often not patching fast enough when security flaws happen in their enterprise. So this just shows you that basically don't rely on their security. You better do your own security. And finally, Google researchers found 3 flaws in DNS Mask, which is widely used in macOS and Linux. And they say that these flaws are actually very important because it means somebody can actually use and do some remote code execution using the flaws that they actually discovered. An update was pushed, but they say that this is going to be a complicated one for updates everywhere. And it warns that it's very important to update if possible, because it is a huge problem. And this was a Tech News Update for Wednesday, October 4th, 2017. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you so much for following us on this channel.